Good day, welcome to the House of Contractors. This is another demonstrational video on how to top up the oil and fill fuel in your power screed. Firstly, let's start by making sure that the unit is horizontal, right? So make sure that the crankshaft is in a horizontal position, okay? Once you've got the machine set up, you need to unscrew the oil dipstick, like so. This one is new, so it's empty, all right? So let's continue by adding some oil. Add a little at a time and continuously check. Okay, that's not quite enough. You need to make sure that the oil gets to 1/3 up the dipstick. Okay, we need a little more. Okay, now we've reached the 1/3 on the dipstick. I'll bring it closer so you can have a look. If you can look, see, the oil is 1/3 up on the dipstick. When you square it in, it's going to come to halfway up, all right? So let me do that and show you. Okay, make sure it's fully screwed in, then you unscrew it. And that's your correct oil level, right? So that's halfway, a little just over halfway, all right? The proper oil to use in this engine is 5W30, fully synthetic oil, all right? So now we're going to go ahead and top up the fuel. So you open the fuel tank, which is there. Get your fuel ready. Make sure you go slow. Okay, that's good. Okay, once that's done, once you've got fuel into the fuel tank, make sure your fuel cap is closed firmly. And then we need to prime the carburetor, all right? So there's a primer button underneath the carburetor which you need to press a few times. And there you go, carburetor is primed. Once that's done, we need to start the engine, okay? So make sure that your engine kill switch is to the run position, which is there. Make sure that the choke is to the choke on position, which is fully up, all right? Then you come through on this side and you pull on the recoil starter firmly but carefully. That's what you use.